There we go. This is the elevator at entrance elevator here at DSW and Burlington, former Filing's basement. The last time I filmed it here was a throwback. They were free entrance elevator throwback and free entrance elevator throwback and 2-store elevators. That's a throwback. So yeah, there were throwback elevators. But actually, go up to 4.
Yeah.
3?
4.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm not a big fan of stainless steel, like what I said earlier. This was the end of the tour and the house I can go. Oh! That did not sound good. Let me park it at the ground level. That's where the elevator needs to be parked. Wait. And that's it.